Guys, Mr. Chicanito reporting for Yu-Gi-Oh's Winning here. Just quick profile update for my deck. I am changing a lot of stuff in this deck, but this is what I have right now. So, it's Chaos Agents, by the way. 3 Master Hyperion, 3 Agent of Earth, 3 Venus, 3 Shaman Balls to go with it. I'm running 3 Spirit Reapers. I'm thinking about changing this though, maybe to like 1 or 2 Chaos Sorcerer. This is what I have right now. I'm thinking about running 1 or 2 Chaos Sorcerers in a BLS. Honest, this is a really good staple for this deck. You always need this. Tragoedia. I'm running this again just for like backup, just because I don't have all the cards I need. 2 Christias, 2 Heralds, Battle Fader, Sanguine, Staple, Gores. I think this is a staple for me. I'm not sure about you guys. Grand Mole. Those are all the monsters. It's a pretty big monster layout. But so, for spell cards, run Book of Moon, Heavy Storm Staple, Monster Reborn Staple, Potter Reverse, Darkhold Staple. I only have 1 Power Duality, but I might be borrowing 2, because Power Duality is pretty good in this deck. 1 MST. Some people run 2 or 3. I just run 1 just for like a quick backup. Might run 2. That's it for the magic. I don't have very many. And then for my traps, Solemn Judgment, 1 Magic Cylinder. I don't have Deep Prism right now, so I think I'm going to run this for now. Oh, 2 Magic Cylinders actually. So basically for right now for my Deep Prisms, just until I get those. Trap Just Shoot, Mirror Force, 2 Solemn Warnings. That's the basic 40 card layout. I think it's 40. I am borrowing kind of like some more synchros, but like I guess like when we play in our tournament, we can only use 3 of each, but you don't have to have like certain amount of like right here, I guess. So then I'll just like put a lot of the what's it called, like seeds and everything in here. Like Granosaurus, Scotchy, you know, Utopias. Hold on, sorry. Like Utopias, I run in this deck for sure. Well, not for this deck, just to have it for backup, you know. And then Leviathan for these are the XYZs for synchros. Not a lot of these are for this deck, they're for other decks. But like I said, I use all my synchros and put them all together. So I have like, this one's pretty good for this deck. Flamebow, Euro, Quizos, Secret. It's pretty good. Junkoria I don't play in this deck. That I don't play. That I don't play. That I don't play. Red Dragon Archfiend. It'd be pretty good, you know. I don't really have Stardust, but if I do borrow it, I could always have that too. But like, say I have this, and I have like Hyperion or something. It'd be pretty good because either way I have to attack. If I can't attack, I would. Level Duel. Don't use that in this deck either. Same with this Deity, this Fable stuff. Colossal Fighter. I kind of run in this deck, but like I said, these synchros, I'm not all of them. These are just the ones I have, you know, I personally have. But like I said, borrowing some from other people. But try to like tell me what synchros I should get for this deck, what I mainly need. And please help me out. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.